Am I the only one that didn't know SpaceX could do this? This time, it's not just about launching rockets, but catching them. In a groundbreaking achievement, Elon Musk's SpaceX tower has successfully caught a rocket booster. After launching the biggest rocket Starship out of Earth's atmosphere, the booster landed back on Earth, and the tower made the catch. Subscribe to Chica Steps, share this video with your friends, and give us a like. The Starship is a fully reusable transportation system, designed to carry both crew and cargo to Earth orbit, the Moon, Mars, and beyond. This milestone is a huge step forward for SpaceX and the future of space travel. Elon Musk celebrated by posting on his official X account, "The tower has caught the rocket." This incredible feat showcases SpaceX's innovative technology and paves the way for more ambitious space missions. Who knows what frontier we'll conquer next? Stay tuned for more updates on this thrilling journey to the stars. And remember, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. Thanks for watching.